Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Sri Nur Hamdani with registration number 185234213. I would like to present my research proposal with the title The Implementation of Choral and Repeated Reading Strategy (CRRS) to improve the reading ability of Year 7 students at UPT SMP Negeri 1 Cempa. I would like to say thank you to my advisors, Prof. Asfar Rahman, MED, PhD, and Sir Hairil Anwar Korompot, MA, PhD. And I would like to say thank you also to my examiners, Prof. Dr. Haryanto, MPD, and Sir Amirullah, SPD, MED, PhD. Chapter 1, Introduction, Background. Many problems students face in learning English, one of which is the problems of reading ability. Some of the problems faced by students such as lack of motivation to read English text, inaccurate speed and intonation when reading text, lack of mastery of English vocabulary, less fluent reading of text as a whole, lack of confidence in reading text, and many more. In addition to increasing the frequency of reading practice at school and at home, appropriate teaching strategies are also needed. The researcher wants to try to implement the choral and repeated reading strategy with the hope that all students in the class were actively involved during the learning process of English subject because they read a text together and then divide into groups. Many previous studies have examined strategies for learning reading ability. These methods have shown positive results for the students, but this method just emphasizes how the students can read an English magazine without reading aloud. While in this research, the researcher will combine choral and repeated reading strategy to improve students' reading ability because choral and repeated reading strategy emphasize how the students can read aloud a text with their expression, intonation, and their fluency in reading. Problem statement. What is reading ability of Year 7 student at UPT SMP Negeri 1 Cempa before and after implementing choral and repeated reading strategy? Is there an increase in students' reading ability in the Year 7 students of UPT SMP Negeri 1 Cempa after choral and repeated reading strategy is implemented? Objective of the research. The first one is to find out the reading ability of the Year 7 students at UPT SMP Negeri 1 Cempa before and after implementing choral and repeated reading strategy. The second one is to find out an increase in students' reading ability in the Year 7 students of UPT SMP Negeri 1 Cempa after choral and repeated reading strategy is implemented. Significance of the research. Theoretical significance. The findings of this study can contribute to develop information about the implementation of choral and repeated reading strategy to improve students' reading ability. Practical significance. For the teacher has a new strategy in improving students' reading ability with choral and repeated reading strategy. For students, it can increase students' motivation and confidence so as to create a relaxed and fun classroom atmosphere by implementing choral and repeated reading strategy. And for the researcher can increase knowledge and insight about choral and repeated reading strategy to improve students' reading ability. Chapter 2, Literature Review. Definition of reading. Petal and Previn, 2008, state, reading are likewise a crucial interest due to the fact with the aid of using studying, a person can update their knowledge. The eyes acquire messages and the mind then has to work out the importance of those messages. It means that when a reader reads a text, he uses his brain to think and reason out. Nuttall in Munira 2004 states, reading is to recall, to understand, to interpret, and to analyze the printed page. Types of reading. There are 3 types of reading. First one is skimming, second one is scanning, and the third one is intensive reading. Kinds of reading. There are 3 kinds of reading. The first one is reading aloud, the second one is silent reading, and the third one is speed reading. The importance of reading. From reading, students can acquire a lot of information and knowledge. According to Ramadan 1990, reading is a good activity for students. Reading is also something crucial and indispensable since the success of their studies depends largely on their ability to read. The purpose of reading, according to Carson, as cited in McCullery and Jeffries 2004, state that regular reading for pleasure can help students increase their knowledge. By reading for pleasure, students can increase their vocabulary, reading speed, comprehension, and writing skills. Also, they can gain more knowledge. Find examples of many different ways of speaking or writing. Reading information means that the player reads many types of text to acquire a quantity of information from them. Definition of reading ability. Reading ability is an ability to recognize the meaning of written symbols and an understanding of the message being communicated. Force 1998 states that learning to read is learning to make sense of a text in order to derive meaning from it. Petty and Jensen 1990 say that when a person reads, they process information. Of course, they don't say that all the information they process while reading. Definition of choral reading. According to Hasberg 2006, in choral reading, teachers and students read a passage or sentence at a time. And during this way, students get the advantage of a model where they play reading aloud. Principle of choral reading strategy. Choral reading tends to remove shy children from their shells, and brave children tend to submerge their dominant personalities for the benefit of the entire group. A good social attitude is a gateway to development through choral reading. Choral reading should begin as soon as the children are able to continue reading the school program. The ability to calm down, develop speech habits, and talk to groups stems from the early practice of choral reading. Definition of repeated reading. Repeated reading is a group or individual activity in which students read a text with a fluent reader and then repeat the text independently until they can read it as fast as the fluent reader. Usually, having students read a text 4 times is enough to improve fluency. Definition of choral and repeated reading. The choral and repeated reading strategy involves reading aloud in unison with an entire class or group of students, and rereading a text 4 times is enough to improve fluency. Choral reading helps build student fluency, self-confidence, and motivation. In repeated reading strategy, students are asked to read aloud short passages of text until they reach a criterion of success, specific speed and accuracy goals. Chapter 3. Research Method. Research Design. The design of this research is a pre-experimental design in the form of one group pre-test post-test design. Pre-experimental design in the form of one group pre-test post-test design has a pre-test before being given treatment. Research variable. There are 2 variables in this research, namely independent X and dependent Y. The dependent variable is choral and repeated reading strategy. The dependent variable is the student's reading ability. Population. The population of this research is the year 7 students of UPT SMP Negeri 1 Cempa. There are 7 classes of year 7 at UPT SMP Negeri 1 Cempa. Sample. In this research, the researcher would use cluster random sampling. This technique sampling is used to determine the sample, which is not individuals but small unit groups. Research instrument. The instrument that will be used for data collection is a reading test. The test aims to know students' ability in reading through choral and repeated reading strategy at year 7 students at UPT SMP Negeri 1 Cempa. The reading test divides into 2 types, namely pre-test and post-test. Procedure of collecting data. First one is pre-test. Before treatment, the student will be given a pretest to know their ability in reading. The researcher will give descriptive text. And the second one is treatment. After giving a pretest to students, the researcher will explain the material 4 times through a choral and repeated reading strategy. The material that will be applied in this treatment are reading descriptive text. And the last is post-test. Post-test is given after being given treatment. The post-test is conducted to find out the students' achievement and their progress. Technique of data analysis. This research data will be analyzed using quantitative method, classifying the score of students by using the scale. Finding out the students' mean score, standard deviation, significance differences, and value both of pretest and post-test by using SPSS, Statistical Product and Service Solution. I think that's all. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.